Nkunkuma, he don't talk say SSF, he go turn up for vote wey go happen for number 7 day for number how many moon? 10 moon 2018. Country people them. The one na palava for vote for get new Nkunkuma for inside country, so country people them. Nkunkuma he make announce na for Twitter, for inside social media, na for they do am sabi say 3 o'clock SSF. He go left his own book them for that side, so for elections for see as well they go start look for inside. So for chapter for vote, we go tell una say Jean-Jacques Ekindi too he don't talk say he go turn am for vote for get a new president. Sabi say Gra Tango Sesep he be there for inside Douala here for show tori people them side where they keep chop and other thing them where they don't buy am for help people them for Norways and Saways, and he talk say all thing he must to work am as we the plan inside tori too. We go tell una as we some Canada he meet up people them for quarter 20 for my 4 waiting happen una go here newspaper then say they get their own talk for it tori for this afternoon. Big part talk too e dey, and for big part talk e say waiting say them know the show fly place waiting wey e dey smell wowo e dey. Dem know the show fly place wey something wey dey smell wowo e dey. Lum Clemencia for that side, so for Boyard na e send we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Country people them, we glad for meet up on our last day this. We will meet up for this side, so for Equinox Story House. It means say last day for the week. And tori for this afternoon, the tori it don't go for all sides. All people that they don't see am. As I be say plenty people that go turn up, they go the surprise. Last, Nkunkuma don't talk. Yes. And we go enter for inside photo for Nkunkuma for Twitter. Now for the way Nkunkuma he take announce say he go turn up for vote for get new president for we country. Now in this he talk say wetin me sesep I dey talk say I dey for inside that palava for vote for get new Nkunkuma for country. Now for Twitter wey Nkunkuma he announce say I never tire. Una feel say I don old but I never tire. All we go join hand for see as we go fix country. So e don be na the tori wey all corner, e be na the breaking tori wey all peoples all sides dem dey talk. Sabi say since wey he announce say vote e go pass for number 7 day for October moon, he never talk no nothing, but e just take all manner for surprise. Now for Twitter we go read all the tori as wey Nkunkuma talk am. We go put am for inside pidgin. We go knack am direct current for pidgin. When the time don reach, we go knack am for direct current for pidgin. So correct people for talk say wetin Nkunkuma he say Cameroon for inside people dem for Cameroon for country and people dem for Cameroon for outside. Say e sabi say plenty thing e dey wey dey get for do am. Say plenty thing e dey wey dey get for do am. So na for sika why that way he want for turn up for the vote, so that all people they go join hand for say make peace, make all thing a turn back for Cameroon as well Cameroon be don't ever fair be. So now the thing that way Nkunkuma talk say na for sika say plenty challenge a day for before, and he sabi say waiting man I didn't stop the photo. So for this size more try for see more try for take am for pidgin. You understand? I go take am talk small as well take am for pidgin. He say Cameroon peoples for country the one wey dey dey for outside for sika say plenty challenge e dey for inside we country. All we get for join we hand for see as well we go make Cameroon e be again country wey dey go talk na one talk, and for say make thing dey normal, and for say wetin make all thing e dey go na only for before. Now for sika why that way today Nkunkuma wey dey for touch here e dey talk say I go stand up again for vote. I don't talk for pidgin no. Nothing that way Nkunkuma don't talk direct correct. He don't talk all thing, and I don't talk until for pidgin. So Nkunkuma e dey kampe 3 o'clock today according to Congo Sabo we hear Nkunkuma to the go give own book for people there they go look all the chapter for vote. Now talk that way Nkunkuma don't talk am. Say he dey he never tire. Sabi say na the number how many times this we sabi say 1984 they vote in 1980 something 2000 last time they do vote na 2011 and now na 2018. It means say Nkunkuma wan she don again for chair for another 7 years. If the vote it means say go she don for chair again for another 7 years. So now they told that for all sides and Nkunkuma to say one join hand with all man for say make Cameroon e go na only for before 2035 we must go for before. No be so? Make we left Nkunkuma for one side. Another person too wey he talk palava for votes. Person too wey wan turn up for votes. They call him as Jean-Jacques Ekindi. He dey na for Progressive Party. Yes. He make his own announce yesterday for Hilton Hotel. Say he go turn up for votes forget new Nkunkuma for inside we country. And for inside that he talk, he say wetin? Palava federal state. He say they go discuss chapter for country. Sabi say chapter for country na true Nkunkuma to say no, we no go fit for talk all that kind of thing, you understand? But Jean-Jacques Ekindi talk say they go shidon, they go talk palava for country. And for that one, he go carry with the federation. He go make 11 states, federated states, as he put am. And one of the states he go be for Mfundi. Palava for school, Jean-Jacques Ekindi talk. Say some kind exam the day we pikin dey write away no make sense. Like a probatoire. He say go wipe all that and keep am for one side. Then for chapter for BNet, he say go put more money na for the internet where e don turn a different thing for inside country. You understand? And on top the other thing, the palava justice, lawyer thing and other kind one, he say go put some better people than commission where they go sit down their own work na for the time people there they make choco and they wan spoil country. So na Jean-Jacques Ekindi own time wey he don talk. So he say e go turn up for chapter for vote. Sabi say the palava for vote. First person he don already left a book with the election people them since yesterday, and he don get all people their signature on top for inside the palava. So as we the thing dey waka, we say we go talk for now for this afternoon, and as we tori dey happen, we go talk for now. Now so make we take una go for quarter 20. Now for mile 2 or mile 4 for that side, so for Bonadikombo con the people them wey e dey so die a meet up people them for that side wey surprise all man. Hospital motor for my one e be the can carry na die body for some boy wey dey call am say Nji. Na sister that only cry so tey e fall collapse. Dem say the boy e be don go enjoy overnight. E be dey in na e own confidence dey dreaming bo. Nji turn back for house, he sleep, he wake up for outside. He no wake up again. Nji no wake up again. Confusion for inside my quarter 20 for that side. So now so people they cry. They say Nji be na some popular man. Where if he for put in name for candidate for vote. Now so people they for vote it too small. You understand? Nji be popular so the time no day. So now people they ask question. Waiting if you don't kill this Nji. Sister cry sote we no day. Sister cry sote we no day. All the one they so. Now for inside quarter 20 for that side, so for my 4 for Bonadikombo. Yes, my 2 for Bonadikombo. People they no sabi way to way pass. I say people they no sabi way to way pass. But I saw the talk. Nji die body e dey for co-house for regional hospital or for hospital for my one for that side, so for Limbe. So one day they talk say they put some small medicine poison for inside Mimbo. All that one they also guess na wetin happen. So Congo side never really talk to a pass, but all man is surprised when Nji go chop life with Ikumbi them. He come back, he sleep, he no wake up. Population become more than plenty. Make we left that one. We hear president for young people them for inside that quarter 20 for that side, so for Limbe. He talk for women for that side. Make we hear it.
Morning time, we just get a call. Me personally, I think say I'm president for all my 4 youth, and I'll be surprised if they call me from 7 o'clock morning time. Many calls to them, call me about 10 calls anyway. I know if you answer anyone, I just surprised me for answer the first one. That say we'll be so embarrassing. Nji, my own brother for inside village on my 4 year. They don't give up the ghost without any. They don't know where to be because we just find for finding say he don't sleep for birthday, he don't die. It be a shocking thing because all we will do with him yesterday night, late about 11-12, we still deal with him for outside. And if we see he die like this one, it be an embarrassing thing for the whole Bonadikombo my fault because we been a social man, we been a somebody where we know how for gather people and for spend life the way we life get for be spent. No nothing from 10-15 years old they with G day and night and we know ever recognize it be a sickly for any form. Now a strong man, he be strong till even at this moment we dey for bed for that place where sleep for this so now a very strong man. No sickness, nothing to know nothing. We never ever see, we never ever hear anything.
Yes, now president that for all young people them for that side so for quarter 20 mile for Bonadikombo now for Limbe side we die ijomito then some kind of way no man never sabi way to pass. For one of our throne number we tell na say Grand Tango e be day for Douala today con people them Grand Tango e be day for Douala and waiting be carry Grand Tango come for Douala. E be start now with Tori people them for that side so for governor office for talk for Tori people them waiting e make e come for big capital e come for Benin capital for Kandu. After we finish talk Tori with the Tori people them for governor office one time the Grand Tango e take na road now for military their own side for Ketu them their own side now for they will go for go show we waiting chop wey they don't buy for help people them for Northwest and Southwest. You see am na the soap dem that bucket dem mattress and wetin rice soap so Grand Tango e waka e show people dem all na even wetin dem that how they dey call that one that way they dey cover ski water blanket bucket soap all thing Grand Tango e show we no be na only the kind one o you get even toothbrush wey dey buy am plenty toothbrush sardine e dey there. You understand? Plus wetin again? Plus other oil. You see no? Na groundnut oil than that. Then rice wey you go put on top. So na the chop than this wey they don't buy. Apart from this chop wey Grand Tango show we, cement e dey too wey they don't buy wey they go the build house. Na plan than that. You see am? Plan than this. You see am? So na all thing than that wey they don't buy and wey dey for Ketu their place for inside Douala here. They say Douala e go be like one place where they go dey take the thing dem comot for outside. So na the thing dem that way Grand Tango e can show am for Tori people dem say Nkunkuma be don give commandeer say make dey start for give the thing dem outside and as wey e don give commandeer na so too say sef e don come for Douala for can show people dem say e dey so all thing e dey kampe money wey dem don give am all thing e dey so all the one dem dey go start go for fee small time. So Grand Tango enter for a motor bag e turn it back for that side for Yawende. Now the work that wey Grand Tango e can show it today say all chop zinc cement plank and thing that wey dey use am for people that dey run comot for Northwest and Southwest all thing e dey and they go start for give the thing dem small time and Kamamburu people dem sef they go sabi as wey they go handle that palava. Now so for chapter for help we go turn back for Mungo for tell una to say all chief dem too for Mungo as wey Grand Tango be there for show we say all thing e don prepare wey dey get for carry and go get our people dem. Chief dem too for Mungo they be gather themselves yesterday for talk Asia for people dem wey dey comot for that side so for Northwest and Southwest wey dey shidon for inside Mungo. Dem too dey carry with rice salt maggi and even small thing dem soap wey dey go take help the people dem wey dey for inside melon. So all the chief dem na dem join buy small thing dem for help people dem wey dey run comot for Northwest and Southwest wey dey shidon for inside melon. As well at the top na chief dem for Mungo division all dem dey join dey do all the thing dem so for that people dem wey dey for that side so for melon. So na so the thing pass after dem gando for that side with Tori man Sirin Jimba e be put a microphone for some of the people dem make we hear wetin wey dey talk.
Thank Cameroon government the way it take we you are help we thank Cameroon government we thank all the Cameroon population. We are thanking everybody who put hand for we because we dey for now we know dey we. Yes. So as government don't take don't call all Cameroonians then for support. We thank government plenty. This is a very good way for do am for we. Many people they don't take we fine as brother. We don't get no problem for many years. They take we as brother, as sister. So they don't take we. You know, say all Cameroon is one. Cameroon is not being a different, not different Cameroon and not we talk English, we talk French, we talk which language. As so far as we dey inside Meloya and then at Cameroonian.
With life as we come, we are so demanding. We God, trust in God. God take things for that time.
Very good. We go left that palaver, we enter for different chapter. Some BB stranger, he dey for inside Cameroon since yesterday, calling people them. The stranger, he land for country, now for afternoon, for Thursday. They calling a Oga Faki, he been a chairman or big man for AU Commission, calling people them. First place we land, he be go see a big man for external relation, where they call it Legion, Mbelam. Where after the finish charts, he gives some small things in a small dashes where Cameroon they give you as well they turn back. Member say you become for Cameroon. Sabi say Padiman Oga Faki Mahamat again for meet up with the Prime Minister today for inside office for Yawende. Then he go get BB talk with Nkunkuma for it to decide there. Inside the talk where they go talk, plenty things they go talk where it concern Africa, it concern Cameroon, and Palava to security. All thing Nkunkuma and Oga Faki, they go talk Sabi say Nkunkuma say he go give small mala for Oga Faki as well he dey ever do for all change of them where they come for country. After that one, Oga Faki go be for Eric for talk small talk. After that one, he go rest. Tomorrow, he go turn back for Sawe he come out. So now so the work I go dey. Minister for decentralized and local palava, he be dey for that side so for Boyam, he dey na for 3-day worker. But the Ketu the way they be big for corner minister na different thing. You see Ketu them, Ketu. They flow for all side. Minister the tiptoe for corner, he own motor the pass. Now for inside Boya so con the people, Minister Oga Oba, where he dey for palava decentralized. And palava for waiting local arrangement e be there for Boya. Now the first time since when they put it like a minister for decentralized, e touch a foot for inside land for legendary hospitality. And as well land for day country people them one time e be go for that side for Boya Council Hall. Now for there we go she done for talk say waiting see waiting wey mayor them and do them particular mayor them waiting wey they don't do. You understand? He asked what we made it do, and he talk for me and say this palava for decentralized. It never so be na one way they no fit make it happen. So he just see na the kind work way they happen. But the two were I catch and plenty. Now the ketu them. Any man way for make mistake, therefore just only one time put them for one side. You understand? Any man way make mistake, therefore put it for one side. So now the first work at that, when minister make am for that side for Boya. As when minister come up for Boya, I say as when minister come up for Boya, one time make we take una enter for land for Kumbi, na land for Limbe be that, land for Bobo. You understand? Minister come up Boya, he enter na for land for Bobo, na for Limbe side. For that side for Limbe, Oga minister for decentralized and local arrangement, he go see work wey Limbe one council dey do. They find house where they build am. Wey na the people there they help local governor Fecom they do am. Then after I go for Fecom their own office for that side for Limbe for see where they happen and for talk for the Fecom people they say na so na get for be help councillor them. Then he work for all the side where the work it happen for inside Limbe. He check all thing and he congratulate. Say anyhow I wan be. He wan see the work he finish so that SSF he go turn back for the same place. He can't cut Cameroon flag for they say he don't open am. You understand? So now the work that way minister make for that side so for Limbe and for place where they call am say Boya. But sabi say it be concern all mayor them for Saways where all them they be get for Shidon with the minister for talk this palava decentralized and for minister too for talk for the mayor them wait when governor they do for say made it decentralized it go now only for before. We go left palava minister now so we go remain for inside Limbe for talk say official His Royal Highness John Elufa Manga Williams. He go sit down for empty chair wey he be don ever be for inside Limbe. After wey the other chief he be go work am, he never turn back. So now na he go sit down for that chair like a chief for inside Limbe. Sabi say before they be wan put it like a chief, Limbe be don she don for 13 years wey chief no be dey. For Sika that one, plenty confusion be don be for town. So as wey new chief, His Royal Highness John Elufa Manga Williams, he don take that chair. E mean say order, he go turn back for Limbe small. As wey official, we go get chief for inside Limbe. The new name wanna go the here and now, His Royal Highness John Elufa Manga Williams. After we defini Puti like a chief, David Simaimo, he be Mito chief. Wetin you feel say you do? You be tell me something yesterday, but for say make that thing happen, wetin you get am for talk for your people there?
The affairs them for the community from these various quarter them, it be in proper line with wetin wey a normal society therefore face am. Because the government they own, the council they own, but the traditional authority it be very, very imperative. And that is why they say because now they get the touch right down to the field, to the common man, and if you understand the common man in problems, and if you understand which way if you forward and to administration for effective action, so that at least at some level we not go see lawlessness, we not go see anarchy, you know, all those things where they make community not the work of fine. And we believe strongly say it will be an opportunity for we for restore order. A lot of things that don't go wrong because there was no head, and now that there is a head together with the other people then, other families and the other chiefs in the surrounding the satellite chiefs, you know, we think say if we restore order, we'll make sure say the affairs them.
So now chief that the new chief for inside Limbe, paramount chief, if we put on for inside Limbe, His Royal Majesty John Elufa Manga Williams, we sabi say official day for Puti for chair, official. They go surely they prepare for that one. For now, it be then a consultative talk as we they put on na palava for discourse we make and the Puti. Last story for this afternoon go take una go for Marwa. Make una see this mommy.
Le coup d'envoi
Come for back. Voila. You see the mommy? See Chakacho. Mommy get 7 pikin. But it say no. Better make you hold Chakacho. Easterner with the Kamamburu people there. For say make they look at their pikin there. Nandamba competition for young people there for that side for Madraway they start am. And na the SGO SSF Oga Raymond e be there for start am. Total FC e be there with the other people the way they be Nandamba for number 1 day. And for the number 1 day, na Total FC, it be lost not one. Total glad. You be get put there, they come up for Mora. One day they come up for Kolofata. Sabi say they can enjoy never ever be for that side before. So now they get the can and damba. Now why that way see woman. That mami na 7 pikin you get am. I saw you see so who shake a shoot. Yes, 7 pikin. He get 7 pikin. He say he go beat vigilante. He go the work for corner Ketu them. So that as well pikin they will deny damba. Boko. They don't work haram. You understand? Now for Sika why that thing they so. Now the first time they kind of thing they happen for that side for Marwa. Sabi say they never ever enjoy since Boko be the haram. So now so all thing in the work I find for that side for Marwa. So can the people them now so we take see country for this afternoon for Tori side. Make we enter for way to read newspaper then set the talk for today. The guidance post wey e dey for outside today, waiting dey for strong number for inside the guidance post. Palava wey dey kill some woman and pikin dem wey na some video wey don dey turn for social media. Amnesty International e talk say na Cameroon, Kamamburu dem the get hand for 2 way pass. Sabi say Amnesty e dey comot after wey Ngomna Tokman Asa Churuma e be don show all thing they say dey so no be na we to them wey dey do that kind of work. Inside the same story as well they tell we for the guidance post, they say gun people them they attack Maurice Kamto and some big people them for inside party as well they be there for that side so for far north. If you want sabi another one, enter for them. Boya Sesep according to where they talk for the guidance post, former chief for Boya Chiefs Conference, he don't disappear. Who say he don't go, no man, he no sabi. Now so too they tell we say some kind of rainway fall for Donga Mantung. It don't let plenty people them. They no get house for that side. We enter for inside the post weekend assessor way a day two for outside country people them. The post weekender e get its own chapter for tori wey e go talk for we. For the post weekender, first tori for day. Vote forget new big people dem for lawyer association wey dem dey call am say bar. E go happen for November moon according to wetin the post weekender dey talk. The post weekend assessor e dey tell we say Moya Ekema Patrick wey na mayor for that side so for Boya, e put e people dem for inside war. E run enter Sosongo. Inside the same thing, they say lawyer man and so other people they just now they dey investigate them for Sika commissioner wey dey kill am for that side so for Kumba. Other tori dey dey for the post weekender wey you fit for read am today. So, con the people them before we go, Nadine, make we show people them vote calendar. We don't tell say na we own place for the tell una all time as we the vote e go pass. Sabi say small time any man wey wan put im name for candidate a time e go pass. So you wey wan put your name for candidate sabi say your time say e go pass small time. Make we enter for the vote calendar. We show una again. We go so dey continue for show una. Dey remind una as wey the thing go dey pass. Sabi say calendar dey for vote. Forget we new Nkunkuma 2018. Today Nkunkuma don already talk say SSF e go turn up back again for vote. 3 o'clock a paper go be for elect am their office. But wait you get for sabi for vote calendar wey dey. Make we see am. Number 9 July wey don pass na day wey dey call people there dey get for local deep palava for vote for country. Number 19 day for July e mean say you still get Sunday dem. E go be na the last day for people there wey dey want for stand up for vote for give their name. E mean say they want be like candidate. Number 8 day for August moon na the day wey they go comot all name them for people there they go turn up for vote for get new Nkunkuma for inside country name them for candidate. Number 24 day for September moon na wey campaign or you wan put am swim up e go start. Number 7 day for October moon dey set for vote. So you wey you never sabi we go so dey remind you calendar for vote for get new Nkunkuma 2018. PG News debate e go happen for Saturday 12:30 so ten for 1:30. Ambassador Sese dey thank all people dem wey dey don make am say the week e waka fine. Anyhow e wan be tomorrow we go meet up. Una hold am tight.